Right, lesson 3, scatter plots and tables, using scatter plots and trend lines. When scatter plots demonstrate a linear relationship, a trend line can be used to show the general pattern of the data. A trend line, or also the line of best fit, is a straight line that should lie as close as possible to the center of the data in the scatter plot. So, for example, write yes or no to describe whether this is a good trend line. First one, no. It's supposed to be a positive slope, and the trend line is showing a negative slope. This one, yes. It's centered, and it follows the trend. This one would be no. It follows the trend, but it's too high up. It should have been somewhere closer to the center. And then for my last one, again, it's no. It follows the trend, but this time it's actually too low. It should have been somewhere closer to here. When we're writing equations of trend lines, we start by choosing any 2 points on the trend line. I want you to do this and set up the ratio of rise over run to find the slope of the line. Now, I want you to put a note here. Don't use actual data points. You're not picking 2 of the data points and finding the slope. You're picking 2 points on the line. And I'm going to show you what that means in just a second. For number 2, look at the y-axis to find the y-intercept. Again, we're going to highlight of the line, so not of data points, or, B. And then use these to write your equation of y equals mx plus b. So look at this first one. It's easy to find the y-intercept right here at 8. You'll notice that I'm ignoring this point. We already have a line of best fit. It does actually follow the center and follow the trend. I'm not using the point. I'm using my b to be 8. Now I need to find my slope. I'm not picking 2 data points. I'm picking 2 points on the line. So I could pick 8. And then it looks like I drop 1 and run 1, 2, 3. Now this one happens to follow a data point, but it doesn't have to work that way. I can watch again. I drop 1 and run 1, 2, 3. And again, there's not a data point here, but we're following points on the line, just like we did in step 1 up here. So if I'm dropping 1 and running 3, my slope is -1/3. Y equals -1/3 x plus b. Oh, not b, plus 8. For number 6, we're going to pull out our slope and our y-intercept. Our y-intercept seems to be right here at 100. Our slope, let's see if we can find another point on the line. Here's one. I rise 1, 2, but it's not actually 2, is it? It's rising 50 and then running 1, 2, 3, 4. So my slope is rise 50, run 4, which gives me 12.5. So my equation would be y equals 12.5x plus 100 for b. For number 7, they already have the line of best fit. So here is my y-intercept, and that is at 45. B equals 45. And we're still going to be looking for. And this one drops 5, 10, and runs 1. So my equation would be 10x and then plus b, 45.